believe that's the CN main line heading towards Windsor, Sarnia. But this trip is going to go to the West Harbour GO train station. So we'll see some things that are a little bit different than the trip to the GO Center. Previous trip I did was on the other side of the little train. So this side we see the land side. Previous was the lake side. And that is the CP line that goes through Waterdown, joining us. Go to the GO Center in Hamilton. The train shifts onto that set of tracks. The one with the single track going across is generally the one that do. The new set of tracks being installed here on a new bridge. This has been in the works better part of 2, maybe 3 years. A retaining wall. They're still ballasting the track. The track actually doesn't connect to anything yet. They haven't installed any switches or the like. At this point, we're beside the park, which runs beside York Boulevard, going up with the other side of the York Boulevard being the cemetery. Most of the work that looked like they had done was to widen to an additional track. That's the track laying equipment there with ties. Probably ballast in these 2 cars. Those are the fresh rails that they weld together. The special set of vehicles just to transport those. I've seen those at Bramley. There's yard vehicles on both sides of the track as we're traveling now. I don't know if you can see it. Those 2 towers are close to my home. The blue building there is at the end of my block. That was the sun reflecting between the sheets of glass in the window here. There's a lot of work still going on in this yard. I'm not sure exactly. Well, they don't exactly tell us what they're doing. So. It appears that CN is repurposing something here for different cargo to be offloaded. Starting to pull into the station. The black fenced area right here beside it looks like a movie shoot happening. There's a couple of cars in the parking lot, but no one is allowed to use this parking lot as yet. At least not for commuter parking. It's been ready for like 2 years now. Weeds are starting to grow in. It has occupancy sensors.
West Harbour will be your last and final stop in this train and will be out of service at West Harbour.
Pedestrian can't even come into this portion, from this portion into the station, sadly. You always have to climb up to the top of it from Bay Street. Bay Street being the nearest possible entrance to the station. Up ahead you can see the level 1, level 2, the vacant parking spots. They don't tend to vary because there's no vehicles. And I think we've arrived fully.
And folks, we haven't arrived at the platform just yet. We'll be a little momentarily here.
Okay, I'm going to end it here. Take care, folks.